Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel an order in Shopify. So let's say you have just ordered a product on Shopify, so it may not be clear on how you can cancel or track that order. However, it is very easy to do that, so make sure to follow these steps carefully in order to avoid mistakes. And now I have in Shopify, but since I'm only on free version, but I can't create an order. However, if you should follow these steps, it should be the same for you. So once you're here and home, all you need to do is go to products right here, or orders, and then for example, you ordered something here in products, and then you go to orders, and then the order will show up here, and you can just cancel your order from here. It should be around this part, and you can just select that and then click on enter, and that is it. That is how you cancel an order in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.